All right, we're up here on a comp roof doing a little inspection. It's one of these ones that's got a little bit of moss here, north exposure, got some damaged ridge caps. Looking around here, these pine trees are terrible on top of a comp roof. They leave it quite a mess. As you can see, there's no gutters on this house because they would be full of debris. Looking over here, we got some more damaged ridge caps. More damage over here because of this tree rubbing on it. This south exposure here is really granulated, and the people tried to tell me this house, the roof was only about 10 or 15 years old, which is probably not the truth. And it looks like right here, more damage from the trees. Moving along over here, no gutters at all in this house. Lifted shingle or lifted flashings here on the chimney. More debris, more damaged ridge, and a bunch more granulation, which tells me this roof is probably closer to 20. And this is a sweet design right here. It pours right off the corner, and there's a bunch of dry rot under there, which I saw when I was on the ground. So overall, this roof is not in that great a shape. They're gonna say something if I tell them it needs to be replaced, but I'd say overall, over 50% of this roof should be replaced. So I'm gonna call it a shot roof. And there's a bunch of wood repairs, so they're gonna wanna do all that at the same time. So there you go.